Right, guys, welcome to the second question from today. So, after you've read it, one of the things that you may be tempted to do is just try and go straight into doing the Argand diagram, which you could possibly do, but what I would suggest that you do is actually find the 5 solutions. And I've got some working here, which is just from NCEA Level 3, giving these 5 solutions. So there's not much of a hint I can give to you here for this first part. You simply need to try and draw this information, okay, Z1, which will be point A on the Argand diagram, and the other thing that you're told is that the argument of this particular, sorry guys, don't know quite what's happening with my damn computer here at the moment. Okay, that one there and this one here, the absolute value of the argument of those two are equal, and then these two here. So I'm going to suggest that you draw that as accurately as possible, because it'll be helpful. You may even need to use a protractor to try and get the angles correct. Don't forget that the modulus needs to be 2 for each of these, so try and get that done as accurately as you can. Then the other thing I'm going to do as a bit of a clue is that if you look at these points here, Z2 and Z5, if you drop a vertical line down from one to the other, think about what that would be in terms of that distance b that you're given for the y coordinate. And the other clue, last clue I'm going to give you that on that one, is to think about congruent or equal triangles. Okay, so pause the video here and see if you can then get the answer, which is the distance between Z3 and Z5 in terms of that distance b. Alright guys, so welcome back. I'm hopefully you had a go and solve that distance from C to E here in terms of B. So a quite quick way of doing this is through, okay, just realize, well, this point B here, try and get that in a color we can see as clearly as possible, that B value there, that's that height there. So if you were to drop a vertical line down, let's get that in terms of orange, that distance there would be 2b. Let's write that in light blue. So that's 2b. Now, if you think about this fact, that the distance from A to B and A to E is also the same as the distance from C to D and D to E. I know my diagram here is not great, but that is a regular pentagon you've got there. So this distance here to here would also be equal to these two sides here, which means that this distance from B to E, which is 2b, would also need to be the same distance as from, let's put that in orange, from here to here. Once again, my diagram could be better and it'll be helpful to see that more clearly, but that triangle ABE is congruent or equal in shape and size to CDE. So this orange distance must also be the same to B. So that's the solution for that one. There are other ways you could do that using cosine rule and angles, etc. But the quicker solution is using those congruent triangles. All right, gentlemen, we'll catch you in the next one.